we are going to learn about alkaline earth metals. Hope you will enjoy the lesson. Group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals. The alkaline earth metals include beryllium, magnesium, and calcium. Group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals because 1. They are abundant in the earth's crust, and 2. It's because they dissolve in water to form alkaline solutions. The table below shows examples of alkaline earth metals, their symbols, their atomic number, their electron structure, the formula of the ion formed, their valencies, and their oxidation states. We begin, for example, with beryllium, whose chemical symbol is Be. Atomic number is 4, electron arrangement is 2.2, formula of the ion is Be2+, valency is 2, oxidation state is +2. The rest have their symbols, atomic numbers in that order, but we are going to learn about the first 20 elements. So the different elements we are going to look at are just beryllium, magnesium, and calcium. Those are the ones which belong to the first 20 elements of the periodic table. So note their structures and their formulas and their valencies. Physical properties of alkaline earth metals. Now, some of the physical properties of alkaline earth metals are: they are good conductors of heat and electricity. They are hard and cannot be easily cut with a knife. They have a dull appearance due to the coating of their oxides, but when freshly cut, they have a metallic luster. Yeah, in other words, when they are polished using steel wool, they'll retain their metallic shininess. That is what we call the metallic structure. They have a higher melting point and boiling point than alkali metals due to their strong metallic bonds. So their bonds are usually stronger than those ones of alkali metals. They are less dense than water, that is why they don't float on water. Instead, they sink in water. That is unlike the alkali metals which we said float on water. They are malleable, which means they can be hammered into sheets. They are ductile, which means they can be drawn into wires. Most metals can be drawn into wires, and that is the property we call ductility. So they are ductile. Let us look at the trends in physical properties. Atomic radius and ionic radius of the alkaline earth metals increase down the group, and the reason is due to the increase in the number of occupied energy levels. So as we go down the group, you realize that there is an increase of one energy level in all of them, and therefore this increases the atomic radius and the ionic radius down the group. Atomic masses increase down the group due to increase in number of protons and neutrons. We are already aware that the protons and neutrons, their sum is what comprises the mass number, the atomic mass. Therefore, the atomic masses increase down the group due to the increase in the number of protons and neutrons. The atomic radius is greater than the ionic radius because the atom reacts by losing 2 electrons in the outermost energy level, and therefore the ion has one less occupied energy level than the atom. The ionization energy decreases down the group due to decrease in the force of attraction between the positive nuclei and the outermost energy level, which is caused by the increase in atomic radius. So, as the atomic radius increases down the group, the outermost electrons are easily lost because of the lessening of the attraction between the positive nuclei and the outermost electron in the atom. The second ionization energy is greater than the first ionization energy because when the first electron is lost, the overall positive charge attracts the remaining electron more firmly. Therefore, you'll require a lot of energy to remove the second electron. The second ionization energy is greater than the first ionization energy because when the first electron is lost, the overall positive charge attracts the remaining electron more firmly. Alkali earth metals, they are called alkaline earth metals, react by losing 2 electrons to become stable, and therefore they have a valency of 2 and an oxidation state of positive 2. Thank you so much for being alert in my lesson. Hope you've learned something. Welcome again to our next lesson. Thank you. Bye. Cheers.